Hey everybody, Greg and Jess with Drifter Journey, bringing you another video. You guys want to see videos of the 2023 Colorado ZR2 from Chevy. So we're going to show you how we put it to use. The camper setup will be coming in, where are we in November right now? In about a month and a half. First of the year-ish.
Yep. So
we are going to keep using the truck as a truck for the time being, and then we'll use it as a truck and a camper in 2024. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and purchase any of our links below to help support the channel. Let's get going.
Stop.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, hook up a trailer, and in the screen, I don't know if it's gonna look funky to you guys, but in your backup camera, you can draw the line. So then it moves with your steering wheel, tell you where you're going, and you can see your ball going straight for your hitch. And then switch to your top down. Hopefully she put it high enough. Looks like she did. And go right up to your trailer without any help. This trailer is really light, so I just need to get close so I can drop it on there. But the cams are awesome for hooking onto a trailer. Cheating.
Just like that. Push it back. Yeah, there you go.
Here we go. I have the 5x10 trailer set as my default trailer. The brake controller is down over here, except this trailer doesn't have any brakes, so it's not going to do anything. But it does a light test for you, and if you do that, exit the vehicle and go look at it. Let's see if you'll be able to see these. Right turn signal on. Backup lights. I don't know if we have backup lights on this trailer.
You can see.
Brake lights.
Brake lights.
Left turn signal.
Yep.
So left turn signal, right turn signal.
Okay.
Back up and brake lights all work. So you can just come in and stop the test. You're good to go. Well, it's hunting season. But we're hunting something different, huh? Oh, I got you guys on that one. We are preparing for winter. So I got my orange hat on for safety. And we did go by a couple quads with rifle holders, so there's folks out here. But we are driving up the mountain to look for firewood. So give Lupe a little hangout in the woods time.
So you're going to the woods, Lupe?
All right, we're at the first spot, but we're going for the gold. Should we take the off-road bypass?
No. This road gets progressively worse, and this is as far as we've gone so far.
We've never brought the trailer.
We never brought the trailer. We were told by someone else who's been up further that they thought it would be fine. So.
Well, he had a Jeep.
Yeah, we'll see.
Up there. Freedom.
Okay, we're gonna try to get the trailer backed up so that we can turn around. And those of you who are in a relationship know that the best way to get in a fight is to try to help your partner back a trailer.
Everybody, let's take a quick second to talk about the sponsor for this video and let you know how to get a discount on their products. This video is sponsored by Epic Water Filters. They're out of Colorado. They have water filters that go in Nalgene's for when you're hiking, and they also have products to filter tap water at your house. Check out their website. We got a link below for them, and use code DRIFTERJOURNEY, all caps, to get 20% off your order.
Freedom, Lupe! You excited to be in the woods? Yeah. What's in there, Lupe? Go get him. Go get him. What's in there?
Isn't it? She's stuck?
She's heavy. Back up and running. Okay, we've got a pretty full load. Got some more rounds to load though, so Greg is now backing the trailer back up to this spot. And I think once those are in, we will be at max capacity. Okay, we're loaded up and strapped in. How heavy do you think we are?
Just under legal amount.
Legal amount?
Well, for it.
For the trailer?
Yeah.
I'm talking about towing for the truck.
Oh.
Payload.
Well, we got 3,000-ish pounds here. And then we probably got, I don't know, 600 in the back. So yeah, you know, we're right at Pitlow.
How much
It's
do you
not
think it
sagging
weighs?
that bad.
No.
How much what weigh?
I was telling our viewers to just say leave it in the comments.
Well, we're not gonna go weigh it.
How much do you think it weighs? No, we're not.
Yeah, play a guessing game, and we will give you our guess too.
All right, we're gonna load up, see how it handles on the way down. Come here, girl. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Whoa, good girl.
Good girl. You're filthy.
No, 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 no. Stay in the truck.
She's like, I want to
She's having
play.
fun. We get asked about the pet ramp a lot because these trucks are really high. And we made a video all about the accessories that we bought for the truck. But this is the Pet Gear Super Trax Extra Wide.
Link is below.
And we do put links in all of the descriptions of our videos for those products. So check them out. Okay. Did you catch all the squirrels, girl? Look at that view. So helpful. Okay, well, that was a huge load. We think we have quite a bit of firewood now. We're tired. We're going to dump this trailer, probably sweep out the bed of the truck, and relax.
Split it another day.
Yeah, you happy with the truck's performance today?
Yeah, we did good. It did well. We drove over a tree.
We drove over a tree?
Yeah, remember when I was turning around?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to leave us questions and comments below. We love hearing from you, and we will see you on the next one.